Hello everyone and welcome back to Adam's Apple Tech Guide. In this video I'll be showing you how to force restart your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch and Apple Watch. This can be very annoying when your Apple device doesn't respond to your touch input like this. As I am sure you don't want to watch this whole video for your Apple device, I've linked timestamps for your Apple device which you'll find in the description down below. Here is how to force restart your Apple Watch. So you want to press the digital crown and the power button both at the same time, like this. Continue holding. And now you can let go. And the Apple Watch will now boot up. So leave it to do its thing. Once it is booted up, you can continue using your Apple Watch like you normally would. Here is how to force restart your iPhone with a force feedback home button. So you want to press the power button and the volume down button both together like this. Continue holding. Now you can let go and let the iPhone do its thing. And now everything should be back to normal. Here is how to force restart your iPhone with a notch. So you want to press the volume up and down button, then hold the power button like this. You have to try and make sure you've done this process quickly, and if it's gone to this screen that looks like this, you've done it correctly, and continue holding that power button. Continue holding now and release it when the Apple logo appears. Now your iPhone is on, it's ready to be used as it normally would be. Here is how to force restart your iPad. So you want to press the power button and the home button both at the same time like this. Continue holding and you can let go now and leave your iPad to turn on. And now your iPad should be working as normal. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like and a subscribe. Thank you.